Very good.
Vedanta. Anand is still auto, mainly. Talk about large Indian business houses. Or
IG.
RPG.
ITC.
ITCs. JK हो गया.
Mehta Group of Companies.
Piramal.
Godrej.
Bombay Dyeing.
Bombay Dyeing is the
Vadia.
Vadia. Then there is Ruias.
Ruias. SR.
Reliance हो गया.
हाँ हो गया. SR. बिरला हो गया ना.
ABG. Agarwal है ना.
JK is done.
घर आते हैं.
JK is Modi's. Minda. Auto. Jubilant.
Yeah.
Jubilant Unitech. Yeah, Unitech is multi-business. DLF is multi-business. But let her cover that in real estate. Start with these, and then the whole point is to keep adding. So we'll do that.
High tech. Somebody needs to do high tech also.
You will have to do high-tech. Industrial automation, basically. What else? What else did you guys need to get covered?
That's it.
Auto is done.
Auto is not done. Auto and auto ancillary. Raisha?
Yeah.
Auto and auto ancillary.
He's planning to give some database to Shweta on pharmaceuticals details because for the past 5 months I've been working with them also. So I have a list.
Let's give auto to Bangalore. I'll give it to Shirin.
बैंगलोर को भी देते हैं. हाँ, उनको देते हैं. Think of more things then. Auto and we woke up and realized yet again. Kavita needs to do a list of all the large business houses in the Middle East. She should just give us a mapping for UAE, retail, FMCG,
Let's give her the advertising companies.
and advertising. Yeah.
For India also.
And Dubai also. Shweta, Dubai landscape. Okay, then auto ancillary. What else? ITS we should give to Bangalore also.
IT and IT.
ITS, BPO, KPO. We'll give to them, but that's also a very long list. And
Then are we working with them? Because
no, but we map. We need sometimes we need HR guy, finance guy, procurement guy, sales people. I mean, very relevant. Functional skills तो सारे वहाँ से मिलते हैं. IT नहीं करेंगे यार.
ITS.
IT नहीं करेंगे. Waste of our time. हम कुछ भी नहीं देखते कभी भी IT से. What else? Media हो गया.
IT we should cover. Infosys, IBM and all for
यार,
general functions.
आता कौन आता है यार उनसे? तो मुझे बता.
नहीं HR finance के लिए तो आते हैं.
वही you're looking at ad hoc IBM, Accenture, ये वो. I don't know IT इतना दिखते भी हैं कि नहीं. But if you think it's important, because IT will be like you have to go to NASSCOM and get the NASSCOM list basically. Like it has 20,000 members.
Consulting firms, accounting, big four.
Consulting firms. उसमें IBM, Accenture you can put. Their locations, because they are multi-location. Sometimes in Pune they have 3 centers, 4 centers. In Bangalore they can have 6, 7 centers. Because we need to know how many centers. Done? Sanjeev, you ordered the food and everything.
Hospitality.
I told him what to order. They'll order by 12. He's order.
Hospitality is done. Oh, Sanjeev just asked Sunil what he wants to eat, and whatever he's going to eat, I'll eat the same. Hotels and hospitality हो गया.
कौन कर रहा है? Hospitality. मैं.
You're doing healthcare services also. Healthcare basically end to end.
Yeah.
What is happening?
Airlines we are including that in hospitality.
Aviation. ये भी उनको दे दो भाई.
Yeah, somebody needs to do aerospace and defense and all those companies.
Yeah, that's so aerospace and
Yeah.
defense. We better start making a list because and aviation.
Aviation can go to Mumbai. Aviation. Sumant aviation ही है.
Aerospace, defense, aviation is one because many of these aerospace companies make these aviation companies. Lot of them are into manufacturing also. उनके हमें नाम भी नहीं पता है.
Boeing or something is one.
Boeing, Rolls-Royce make aircraft engines, Airbus. Boeing and Airbus are the only two that make large passenger aircraft, and they have it's called a oligopoly. There are only two players in that business. There's no third player. Any passenger aircraft that you sit in has to be either a Boeing or an Airbus. It's never a third. Then there are others. Cessna makes. There's Lockheed and Martin. They make smaller planes for commercial and personal use. And then there's a whole range of companies that make only
Choppers.
no
Jets.
fighter
Fighter planes.
fighter planes. I mean for defense, helicopters and
Jets.
jets and those carrier aircrafts. And it's a very fascinating industry.
Construction.
Real estate.
Real
estate.
When can I have? I need a deadline when this is going to be ready and up. Can I say 15th Feb? It will be up and ready for everything. Yeah. You will make place on the server.
First, yeah, I need the.
All of it needs to be done only on various Excel sheets. Please don't do it outside of Excel.
Yeah.
Then make a compilation and
Yeah. Make it on Excel. Like if you're doing, for example, if Shweta is doing healthcare services, how she segregates it on an Excel sheet is up to her. She may want to do it region-wise because they're different hospital chains and different. She may want to do north, this, south, this. It helps. You have to think through the segregation of how you want to segregate. I mean, she's doing Indian business houses. She should also segregate according to where they're located. And then the list of the businesses and where each business is located.
I think we can make a template for this also, and we can.
Shirin को वहाँ Bangalore में education भी भेजा. That's another place we really struggled.
Education we can put in training companies. I mean training organizations.
Education भी खबर. What else? Before we move on to the other issues that need to be addressed. Okay, so this is another thing. So we're still talking research. We're still on the research page. We're talking about how to facilitate the research process. One is better downloads. Number two is better search strategy. Everything has to be documented now. And every